These are the top 3 best Photoshop alternative. Hey Blossoms, today I'm gonna show you my top 3 free Photoshop alternative. I'm not gonna make the intro too long, so let's get right into it. First up is called Canva. You probably know this one. It's a website, so you don't need to download it. It's a very good alternative because it has really high quality overlays and images. It also has a lot of text options, and everything is very customizable. I definitely recommend it. This next one is called Pixlr. This is definitely one of the best Photoshop alternative. There is so many options, and you can also add lots of things here. I know that a lot of ROBLOX clothing creators also use Pixlr to design their clothing, so it's definitely a good one. The last one is probably the most popular of all. It's called Photopea. So many GFX artists use this website, including myself. It has so many options that are similar to Photoshop. So if I had to recommend one, this is definitely the one I would recommend. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys found an alternative for yourself. If you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.